Hello friends, welcome to HP Vibrant Academy. In this particular lecture, we will discuss about the strategy video for covering the statics module. Okay, so this statics module comes under UPSC Mathematics Optional Paper 1. Okay, so we have the syllabus that is mentioned on the website is common catenary, principle of virtual work, stability of equilibrium, equilibrium of forces in 3 dimension. Okay, so this is lecture 1. So we are in this particular lecture we are discussing about the micro topics. Okay, so in lecture 1 we are discussing micro topics analysis. Okay, in lecture 2 we will discuss about concurrent forces, parallelogram of forces, triangle law of forces, Lami's theorem and polygon of forces. Okay, so now under lecture 3 to lecture 6 we will cover problems. Okay, so based on this theory we will cover problems under set 1 to set 4. Okay, in lecture 7 we have principle of virtual work. In lecture 8 and lecture 9 we will cover problems on principle of virtual work. In lecture 10 we will discuss about strings in 2 dimension, that is common catenary. Okay, now let us move further. Okay, so in lecture 11 we will discuss about important terms and relation under common catenary. Okay, so based on this topic common catenary we will discuss problem set 1 to set 3. Okay, so this is under lecture 12 to lecture 14. In lecture 15 we will discuss about theory part of stable and unstable equilibrium. In the same lecture we will start discussing problems. Okay, so that is set 1. Okay, in lecture 16 to 17 we will discuss problems, that is set 2 and set 3 on same topic, that is stable and unstable equilibrium. In lecture 18 we will discuss about introduction to equilibrium of forces in 3 dimension. Lecture 19 reduction of system of forces to a single force and a couple, very important topic. In lecture 20 necessary and sufficient conditions of equilibrium of a rigid body under system of forces. In lecture 21 we will discuss about wrench, pitch, invariants and equation of central axis. This is very important. Okay, generally 15 markers are being asked on this equation of central axis. In lecture 22 we will discuss about problems on equilibrium of forces in 3 dimension. Okay, so this is all about the strategy video for covering the statics module. Okay, thank you.